In today's video, I am going to teach you how to outline text in Excel. This is a simple formatting task, but it can make certain text stand out, especially in headers, labels, or sections where you want extra emphasis. To get started, you will first locate the cell that already contains the text you want to outline. Begin by selecting the cell containing your text. For example, you might have your text in a cell like A1. Click that cell so it is highlighted. Take a moment to make sure you have selected the correct cell, because the formatting you apply will affect only the text inside that one selected cell. Once you see the cell is selected, you are ready for the next action. Next, right-click the selected cell. When you right-click, a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Format Cells. This opens a window where Excel groups many text and cell formatting options. Right-clicking and selecting Format Cells is the key step that takes you from basic editing into the formatting controls you need for underlining and outlined emphasis. After you click Format Cells, you will see a window with several tabs. In this window, look for the Font tab at the top. Click the Font tab to bring those text styling options into view. You should now be looking at controls related to font settings, such as color, type, size, and underline choices. This is the area where Excel lets you apply an underline style, which is commonly used to create an outlined look for text. Once you are on the Font tab, look for an Underline drop-down menu. It is directly below the font selection list. You might currently see that it is set to None, which means there is no underline applied yet. Find that drop-down and make sure you are looking at the underline setting, not the font type or font size settings. This underline choice is what will create the outlined effect. Now click the drop-down arrow where it currently says None. When you open the drop-down, a list of underline styles will appear. From this list, select Single or Double, depending on how bold you want the effect to look. Choose Single for a clean, subtle underline, or choose Double for a more pronounced, stronger outline appearance. Take a moment to pick the option that matches what you want viewers to notice in your spreadsheet. After you choose either Single or Double, you will apply the change. Click OK at the bottom of the window. This confirms the formatting settings and closes the Format Cells window. As soon as you do, you should see the selected cell's text updated with the underline style you chose. If everything looks right, you are done. If you do not see the effect right away, double-check that you selected the same cell you intended to format. Also make sure you pressed OK to apply the changes. Excel formatting is instant once applied, so a quick check helps you confirm the underline is correctly applied to the right text. And that covers everything you need to know. You selected your text cell, opened the Format Cells window, went to the Font tab, selected an underline style like Single or Double, and clicked OK to apply the outlined effect.